Here we are, a blizzard of 93, a little bit of snow. Just trying to dig the way to the back door. I can actually get it open. Two to 3 feet, something like that. Guess we won't be swimming in the pool anytime soon. That's a good shoveling.